Hey guys, it's Michelle and I'm a former client advisor for Louis Vuitton. I'm going to tell you today the 5 things not to do with your luxury items, particularly your Louis Vuitton bag, but this can apply to most of your luxury handbags, jewelry, and shoes. Now, the first thing I hear, this is an internet rumor, and these products do exist, but I'm telling you now as a former client advisor for Louis Vuitton, we do not recommend spraying your handbag with anything, especially if it's brand new, straight out of the store. Leave that alone, okay? That is tip number 1. Before we move on to number 2, I just want to take a moment to thank my sponsor of the video, MSBLUE. They absolutely spoil me. Check out this moonstone lariat necklace with pink sapphires. It is so gorgeous. So the theme that they've sent me is the moonstones. I also got this curb chain link bracelet with the moonstone touch. So moonstone is known to enhance and attract feminine energy. And guys, trust me, it works, because I wished for a bracelet just like this a few months ago, and here it is. It showed up. They've also provided me with this gorgeous moissanite ring and the lab created sapphire ring that I wear. You guys have seen this in almost all of my videos. And guess what? You don't have to spend an arm and a leg to look elegant. These are lab created stones and they look better than the real thing. I constantly get compliments on my MSBLUE jewelry, so check them out and there's a coupon code down below. Now on to number 2. I'm just telling you guys things that I experienced as a client advisor. Do not leave your bag in a hot car, especially on your dashboard. People have actually left their monogram bags on the dashboard and the print will melt off. Even if you put like a pink leather wallet in your dashboard, that pink is going to end up on your dashboard. Don't do it. Maybe try to bake cookies on your dashboard, but don't put your leather goods or canvas goods on the dashboard. Do not leave it in a hot car. You've got to treat it better, okay? So number 3, do not store your items in an airtight plastic container. This is really bad, not just for handbags, but also like shoes don't do well in plastic containers either. My mom did store her SPEEDY in a plastic container, like a plastic bin from the container store, and it was airtight. So it created this icky smell, which I was able to get rid of, by the way. I stuffed newspaper in the SPEEDY and now the smell is gone, but I did have to air it out. Now, what can happen when you store in airtight boxes? Okay, and here's another thing. Even though the orange box that you get from the store, it's not airtight, we do not recommend that you store your products in the box in your closet. It has to be in a space where air is circulating, okay? So think about like yourself. When you go to sleep, do you sleep in an airtight box? No, because we want to breathe. So your small leather goods, your handbags, whether it's leather or canvas, it wants to breathe. For that reason, we do not recommend you store your products in the orange box. Oh wait, let me go back to number 1 where I say don't use Apple Guard. Fresh out of the store, don't put anything on your handbags. That is up to you, okay? If you ruin it and then you try to come back and say this shouldn't happen because it's Louis Vuitton, but I put something on it against everyone's advice from the store, but I heard it on the internet, like there's nothing you can do. After you've had your bag for years and years. I use Cadillac leather conditioner to condition and clean my bag. Yes, your bag will get dirty over time. Just like your skin, it needs some lotion, so use that leather conditioner. Now, how I like to protect the handles of all my handbags, not just the ones with the vachetta handle. So I tie a bandeau around all of my handbags handles. I love handlebags. Trust me, if you think your hands are not dirty, they are dirty. You're opening doors, you're touching your steering wheel. So anything on your hands touches your handbag, of course, it is gonna get dirty. And you guys, I say this in every video too, the untreated vachetta of a Louis Vuitton bag is meant to look weathered. So it's going to look darker. It's going to change color. It is meant to grow and age as you travel with it. So anyone who freaks out over it, like, I understand you always want it to look pristine. The fact of the matter is anything you have, shoes, bags, jewelry, your car, furniture, nothing is going to be pristine forever. Isn't it just better if you kind of just relax and enjoy it and not be so psychotic about your things? Don't put your handbag on the floor. This might be a superstition in certain cultures, but you guys, respect your items. I hate seeing handbags on the floor. So this is how, if I happen to have or not have a counter to put my handbag on, I just place it between my feet just like this. See, it's there, it's not touching the floor, and your hands are free to do what you need to do. So there's a little tip for you guys. You're welcome. Now, lastly, number 5, this is important. Rotate your handbags. Rotate them. Use different handbags for different occasions. Your handbags are not one fits all occasions, no matter how much you paid for it. Besides, it's fun to rotate your bags. This is me on a daily basis looking through my bags. I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you. They all love to be loved, okay? Just like Toy Story. So like I said, for different reasons, there is no one bag fits all occasions. That was always something people asked for. I want a bag that I can use daily, go to the beach, go on vacation, take to work, put a computer, put a diaper, but take out to dinner and put water bottles in. Sorry, it doesn't exist. After this video, take a look in your closet, because this is something I do often. Is sometimes I'll have heels that will go out of style, so I won't wear them for a long time. You'll notice those shoes, the liner of the shoes will get sticky. Same thing will happen with your bags. The liner of the bags might get sticky. I have patent bags that have gotten sticky. So when you don't rotate your items, they're not getting the oxygen that they need. So the same happens with wallets and even in your silver jewelry. Have you ever noticed the silver jewelry that you don't wear actually gets oxidized quicker than the jewelry that you do wear? So the same thing with your bags, your wallets, your shoes. If you don't wear them, they will not get oxygen and they will start to disintegrate. Does not matter how much you paid for them, does not matter that they're Vuitton. Common thing we heard. I've had this Vuitton in my closet for 15 years and I didn't use it and it's disintegrated. Well, you probably had it stored incorrectly, or if it was stored correctly, it wasn't getting the oxygen that it needed to breathe and to air itself out. Okay, lastly, my number 6, do not abuse your products. Treat them with care and respect and appreciation. It's just another common thing I saw. People abuse their things and said, well, this shouldn't happen because it's Louis Vuitton. If you abuse anything, it is not going to last you a long time or look shiny and new forever, okay? It's the biggest, craziest myth I've ever heard, because nothing is indestructible. Whether you paid $5 or $5,000, it should be of higher quality if you've paid $5,000 for it. But if you've seen all my other videos, it's not necessarily better quality if you've paid more money for it. So your luxury items are not indestructible. In fact, I always believe you should probably treat them a little better than you treat the stuff that you buy from Target. So those are my quick tips today. Thank you guys so much for joining. Don't forget to check out my sponsor, MSBLUE. My name is Michelle. Don't forget to smash that like and subscribe button and hit the notification bell, because YouTube does not push all my videos out to all my subscribers. Also, if you really love my content, you guys, I have started a membership page that will be more interactive and will bring you more unedited and live content so that I can get information out to you quicker. Thanks so much for your love and support and to getting me to 20K subscribers. My name is Michelle. Talk to you soon. Bye.